People, now good evening. I beg, more than no verse, eh? Na Edo language I want speak for this evening. So many of you know hear Edo language because I'm going to talk to my people. Not be Bini, na thief pass. Not be Bini boys thief pass. If you Bini city, wawa unwa izobo owa forme vigilante. Yen wo ba owa forme vigilante. Iyan wa gbele boys ma. Iyan wo jiyan hiyan broba. But now only Bini boys can't thief pass. Me no understand. I don't understand. And our mother are quiet, and our brothers and sisters, our father, they are quiet. They are just killing their children. Okay, if the Fulani war can fight for now. Me, I don't understand all this issue. I don't understand it. There are some people supporting them, but they live in Europe. Okay, mo will still dey fight am for Europe. Mo go tell Oyibo say many of una no dey work. Una get husband, una get children. Some of una wey lie say una never marry. But una be single mother. Una want me to spoil everywhere. Wetin dey go on? Wetin dey happen? People are just quiet. They are just killing our boys because they come out for EndSARS protest. They use they kill our Bini boys. Iyan wa gbe izobo wa gbele boysima. O wa gbele boysima fo e o ko ga ire do no hi muja ni wie doi. Do no hi ho ko ni ai. Bini people just keep quiet. They just they look. They use they kill una brother. Many of the boys wey they kill, maybe they no get mama, they no get papa, they no get who want talk for them. Now no understand whether na Bini boys call thief pass o. Fulani they kidnap people, they kill. Every day they kill people, they kidnap them. They no go fight Fulani. They kill our boys. Oba Bini keep quiet. He just say Zobo because he dey vex for because of our boys come out for EndSARS protest. He just dey kill our children. And our people, they just keep quiet. They just dey listen. They just dey look them. So they post them. The one way they no bell agbore that mass. He go come they put there for he profile picture. He go come they put there for Facebook. He go say they be criminal. They be this. They be cultist. Who bring cultist? Not be all bring cultist give them. Na Bini boy na come thief pass. I been at the come arm robber pass. Me no understand oh. They kill our boys anyhow for Bini. They kill them. If any boy where they also will be conductor or will be bus driver, they kill them. If they catch them, they'll come kill, they'll come beat them before they'll carry them come and make them come confess. Our people just keep quiet. They post time. If they switch them because not be their own. These boys now, maybe they come in, maybe many of them. Let me drink water first, wait. Maybe many of them come in racial though, they don't have money. They use they kill them. They use they frame they help. Izobo saying na vigilante, no go inside bush, may go find Fulani. We kill that man where they come for America or where come for America, he no go find Fulani. And our Bini women, they just sit down there, get. Because they don't use their swear juju. They don't put there for secret court. They know they come out, they protest or they do anything about it. They'll just lock up, they'll just keep quiet. The children, they pick them for street. Hey, may I play one music for now? May I find out? More beer. Well, no more beer. If you do, go a Fulani are. Why me no be na no wa? Okay. Esa oje. Mona carry na children. Mona asuna they protect their soul. Mona close the youth of Asian land. Close your border. Close your border and a circle. They don't kill. Esako people keep quiet too. They don't kill na brother now. We come America come enjoy for us. So they kill him. They kill him. They kill him. He come from abroad, come enjoy. They kill him. Nah, Izobo wa zenye bosima, orak belian, no e bus driver belian, no e conductor belian, no we big lay out be. If you don't want, iya rak bobo yo on your Kenya, iya heve, e courtesy yahi, oji yahi, am robber yahi, Now so Benin people wicked. The most wicked people here is Benin people. I swear with my dead mother. Wicked people to the core. Wicked. The most wicked people on earth is Benin people. Though they kill their children, they know they talk. Though they, it be like say, nah, juju oh. Nah, juju, una don't use una children to swear for Yoruba people. Say, una sacrifice all una boys. They all they kill them, they go jihadists, they kill them, they frame them up. Armed robber, notorious armed robber, kidnappers, cultists. But if they just kill our boys finish, who want to fight the war for where the war go come? Abuna no, una ti say war no go come. My brothers and sisters, okware, war go come o. Okware, because you cannot use peace to tell your oppressor say enough is enough. War must come. If una dey run for that war, it must come. Muna no your worry. War go come one day. Izobo yo dey kill our boys. Izobo yo dey kill our boys. Oh bad idea. He say may go dey kill them because they protest for SARS protest. Izobo yo dey kill our boys. So he say they be thief, they be criminal. Egbe wa be wo me. Osalo bone rame. Benin people na wicked pass o. For this life when I come, I never see the kind of people we wicked. They sacrifice their boys to Yoruba people when they do sacrifice. I never see them. Now Benin people want that for see. Since where our boys don't they die for Benin? In the name of armed robber, kidnappers, thief. Since where they die. Now since we don't tell, I just small. Since 30 years, 35 years, they don't they die. Fulani the key. He go farm. He go kill our people. Izobo never kill one. I never hear say Izobo kill Fulani o. Now our boys see they kill o. Iviedo. Eti wayan gbele na. Egenu waya or goy. Egen waya it's too late for you people. If you san wala wo wa giyan gbele ti wa because wa mi no ho ko nu wa. Iyan wa gbele boisima. Iyan gbele yan. Yan gbele boisi Zobo zenya boisima wa gbele yan because of say na SARS protest. Na way they do. Izobo yo they kill our boys. All those are our boys. Many na bus driver, many na conductor because Yoruba don't collect all the job with they Benin. So our boys no get work. Na conductor and bus driver na they do. So all those boys that they work, and Izobo just they kill our boys. Izobo uwe hiama Zobo. Hell, uwe hiama. Uwe a tough igbe go too tough. It go even tough pass any new. Uwe hiama Zobo. Nobody get this life with Zobo. You will not fly. You are going to die one day. Zobo, stop what you are doing. Those boys, they are our brothers. Zobo, you are aboriginal. Igodo, Zobo. I know you have swear, take an oath. You have swear an oath. Zobo, you will not live forever. You are going to die one day, Zobo. Zobo, leave our boys alone. Leave our Benin boys alone. Anyway, go and join Eastern Security. If you say go and join Eastern Security, no, don't they find money? Mama send me money now. Send me money on Beluwa. Who why who day? Never see any Asian boy where they Asian guys where they go they join Star Security. How much? Ask me how much I they give them. Ask me. Mumui Beluwa wa bon. Ejinya wa ke abore. They look. They Anoni of Ife don't carry injection go Benin now. They kill their papa and mama for one side oh. They kill their children for armed robber. Anybody wey just waka the net now. Izoboyo see say waka the net. Izoboyo carry go say na thief. He run for prison. Na kidnappers, thief. Izobo no fit go carry the people wey dey wetin where they call am Bini or Oreru. He no fit go that side. Try and kill one Fulani. Because of EndSARS protest, Izoboyo dey kill our brothers. The one wey don take come out, Esa oye abeg, muna fight for na brothers o. Because if this war come, I no see person wey go fight for us o. Because if they succeed conquer Benin, now don finish. I swear, the mission never complete. Neither they do so. If they succeed, now don't finish. Because those people, they are your neighbors, and they are your brothers. I know say all those who are not still good, they be devil. But we know say they be devil now. We they kill them. Now the innocent one that they kill, not be all those great Benin that they kill. Because all those great Benin, they did their secret court. They be one of them. They don't they kill those ones. That the innocent people we don't know anything. Neither they kill. Izoboyo they kill our boys. My brothers and sisters, now the short video where I come short be this one. Our boys may they do something. Now because of EndSARS where they do now about Benin say Izobo come out. May they kill them. Now why I because now frame me up. Now that EndSARS is still the pay about Benin, I swear. Because now Benin there for start time. It depend now. And their mother just dead there. They just dead there. They all fold their hand. Don't they do anything? Benin people are the most wicked people I've ever seen yet. Benin people, they are most wicked. Wicked to the core. Wicked. So, God bless you now, my people. Mona listen with this one. God bless you now, my baby. Now, bye-bye.